The last session of the day today, ladies and gentlemen, is the automotive skilling. Request Ms. Richi Gupta, Head National Project Implementation, ASDC, to address the gathering.
आप लोगों का बहुत समय नहीं लूँगी, लास्ट सेशन है तो मैं बहुत ही जल्दी क्विकली जो आपका मेन टॉपिक्स है मैं वही यहाँ पे ट्राई करूँगी कवर करने का. I would like to thank you FADA to provide me an opportunity to talk about skill development initiative in automotive sector. मैं पहले अपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का बैकग्राउंड देती हूँ. मैं हूँ ऑटोमोटिव स्किल डेवलपमेंट काउंसिल से, जो कि फर्स्ट सेक्टर स्किल काउंसिल है अंडर द अम्ब्रेला ऑफ NSDC, और हम लोग एफिलिएटेड है NCDET से, जो कि एक अवॉर्डिंग बॉडी है. हमारे प्रमोटिंग बॉडीज हैं ACMA, SIAM एंड FADA, और हमारे को सपोर्ट करती है मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हैवी इंडस्ट्री, स्किल डेवलपमेंट एंड एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, और हमारे को मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ रोड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन एंड हाईवे भी सपोर्ट करती है. ASDC plays 6 major roles. One is to standardize the job roles. We have created 114 job roles in the automotive sector. We are developing content and curriculum for them. We also affiliate training partners so that they can conduct the government-oriented training programs, and also train the trainer and train the assessor to improve quality of training. We implement CSR projects or government projects with support of their funding, and conduct assessment and certification of candidates, so this will complete the loop of the training program. We also support the trained candidate or certified candidates by providing them a placement opportunity. We connect the candidates or skilled trained manpower to the candidates for a world skill competition, which is equivalent to the Olympics of skilling program. ASDC has ventured into e-learning content for the last 2-3 years, and we have developed approximately 25 content in online content, which has helped 35,000 candidates to absorb online content, and these were also related to the dealer network, where the service technician or telecaller online courses are available on our website. We have collaborated with TCS ION, FADA, Google, to create, develop these contents, and Eicher and Toyota has also given their content to be hosted on our website. So ASDC work with training partners across India, so they implement the government or industry funded programs. And talking about Madhya Pradesh, we have 32 centers across this state in 22 districts who are implementing training in sales and service domain. So from here, these centers can help you provide skilled manpower in the sales and service domain. This is one of the initiatives where we are working with Hero MotoCorp. What they have done is they have adopted 19 skill development centers across India, and then under these centers, we will be training 500 technicians on two-wheeler preventive maintenance course, so that technician for the dealership network. Similar kind of initiative we are working with Toyota Kirloskar also. They are going to launch 12 new centers across India, and will be training the candidates on two-wheeler technician. We are working with Madhya Pradesh National Urban Livelihood. They have given us a target of training 1,000 candidates on two-wheeler service technician or automotive electrician role, and once they will be trained, then they will be placed in the dealership network. So over here, I would like to highlight that we are working with various industry members and on short-term training, and they are creating a pool of skilled manpower for the ecosystem. So we are working with Tata Motors. So they have their Learn and Earn Progress program, which is a 1-year duration of training program, and 3 months the candidate is trained in the training center, and then for the 9 months they go to the OJT in the dealership network. So it's kind of a trainee goes there and work in a dealership. Similarly, we are working with Toyota Kirloskar, and they have 2 programs. That is, one is Toyota Technical Education Program TTAP, and the STEP. TTAP is more is a program where the training happens at a skill center adopted by TKM. However, the STEP program is the one program where TKM is taking support of authorized dealer to impart training and creating skilled manpower. Similarly, we are working with Mahindra and MG Motors, so that they can train the manpower for their manufacturing plant. So this is a very interesting case study which we have done with the support of World Bank, where we have tried to assess the impact of candidate acquiring the skills in the futuristic job roles. And this was quite a successful research study where from these 3 job roles like additive manufacturing, social media marketing and EV service technician, 2 were related to the dealership domain, and there was a huge success and candidates were willing to onboard the training program. And so this year we will be scaling up this program in various states and MP is one of them. This is another initiative which we are working with Bridgestone, under which we are training commercial vehicle driver in 3 different DTIs, Driver Training Institute. One is in Orissa, one is in Telangana, and another one is in Pune, IDTR Pune. So this is a short-term training program, 30 days residential program where the drivers will be trained on a heavy commercial vehicle. Once their training is completed, they will be available for the placement. So each month there are 90 candidates passing out from these DTIs and available for placement opportunity. I would like to talk about apprenticeship program. I mean, many of you might have heard about the apprenticeship program. This has been in existence for a very long time. It has been launched in 1961, but it was limited to the manufacturing domain. So only all the OEMs were used to absorb the apprentice in their premises. But now with the reforms in 2014 and 15, it has been made industry friendly, and now dealers can also absorb the apprentices. So what government has done is they have launched a national apprenticeship promotion scheme, which is an incentive given to the dealers of maximum of 1,500 rupees per month per candidate on enrolling an apprentice in their workforce. So the duration of this training program is that you can engage the apprentice as a trainee for 6 months to 12 months depending upon what job they pick. And also they are exempted from ESI and PF. A dealer can engage them maximum of 15% of its workforce as an apprentice, and they can avail the benefit of reimbursement from the government. This is some of the industry members who are already engaging apprentice in their workforce, and last year approximately 500 contracts or apprentices were absorbed in the dealer network as well. The last part is counseling. So ASDC is focused on the outcome-driven training program, and so counseling and placement is the most important aspect of the training program. Over here we have created an online portal so that candidates get the entire thought process about what is the automotive industry and whatever the eligibility of their job roles, so that they can make a conscious decision before enrolling in a program. So this counseling will help you also in indirect ways so that you can get a focused skilled manpower after getting trained. ASDC also provide placement opportunity. We work very closely with both industry as well as with candidates. So based on the requirement of the industry, we mobilize the candidate or trained manpower. Or similarly, vice versa, what we do is whoever the candidate is trained, we reach out to industry for placing them in the industry. We have also curated a job listing platform which with their candidature. So that's it. Thank you from my side.
Yeah, thank you so much. I'll request Ms. Anusha Kate to please come on the stage also.